Hey everyone, it's John Joblin coming to you from the Mid-America Trucking Show 2024. And I have some really exciting things to share with you today. It's all about this TRP Gas Shock. Our TRP Gas Shocks are built to withstand demanding operating conditions, giving you an effortless truck ride. This part has 3 adjustable settings so you can personalize your ride. The gas cell technology eliminates aeration or foaming of oil for consistent performance on any terrain. They're engineered for durability with high temperature shock fluid for a long lifespan. The 3 settings allow you to tailor your driving experience, while the big bore power absorbs more road shock for a smoother ride. The 9-stage valving provides control at all speeds, and the hydraulic rebound stop reduces damage to mounts. It's crucial to inspect shocks when buying new tires, as worn shocks can contribute to excessive tire wear. Our TRP Gas Shocks enhance your driving experience, offering durability, adjustability, and incredible features that make them a worthy investment for any truck owner. For more trusted, reliable, and proven parts, find us at trpparts.com or follow us on social media.